Hi, I'm Varnaz. Welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm going to show you an amazing recipe for a 2-minute chocolate cake in the microwave. It is keto friendly as well as low carb, and a portion for yourself in a mug which you can have without any guilt. So let's get cooking.
Break 1 egg into a mug and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next, add 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. I used xylitol. Now a pinch of salt just to enhance the flavor of the chocolate. 1 tablespoon of cream. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. And give this all a good mix. See that everything mixes up in the mug. Now in it goes into the microwave for all of a minute and 45 seconds. That's how it worked in my microwave. Some could take 2 minutes. And just check when you take it out, the top of it should be a bit spongy. That means it's done. And there we have it, an amazing chocolate cake in the microwave made in 2 minutes flat. And now I'm going to put some toppings. I've topped this with my granola crunch and cream.
So here goes my taste test for this. I've already eaten 2 bites of it. I just couldn't wait. So here goes another bite. Let me show you close up. Oh my god, it's absolutely divine. I can't tell the difference between normal cake and this. And this doesn't even have any kind of flour, not even almond flour or coconut flour. Just absolutely amazing. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Unreal. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to making many more videos for you. And also please do subscribe to my channel. I'm new in the market. And also press the bell, because that's when you'll get all the notifications for my future recipes, and I'm going to make a lot. So thank you, bye. And here goes another bite. Oh my god. My god.